Back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade ginger oil for hair growth, skin, or to massage your skin. Continue watching to find out how I make this ginger oil. To make this ginger oil, you need fresh ginger. So with a spoon, I'm going to scrape to remove the ginger skin. You know, this homemade ginger oil is so good for your hair because you can use it for your hair to stimulate hair growth, to improve circulation to your scalp, and also to cleanse any buildup on your scalp. You can also use it to massage your skin if you are having pain or ache. You know, it will help to improve blood flow. When I'm done peeling the ginger, I will set aside. I'll be using a grater to grate the ginger into smaller pieces. Into a clean jar, add the grated ginger. Adding the grated ginger into the jar, I'll be using grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm going to add enough oil to cover the grated ginger. I will stir to mix properly, then I will cover the jar and allow it to infuse a day. The next day, when the ginger oil has infused, I'll be using double boiling method. I will place the jar into a boiling water and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Then I'll bring out and allow to cool down before straining the oil. This will help the oil to heat so that the ginger juice will mix into the oil. When the oil has cooled down, I will strain to get the oil. You can use cheesecloth or sieve. This homemade ginger oil is so good because you can use it for your hair, your skin, or for your body. You can use it to massage your body. You can use it to apply on your hair. It will help to stimulate and improve blood circulation. You can store the ginger oil in container and it has a warm spicy smell. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.